Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing one lunchbox recipe and super soft Malai chicken Seekh Kabab recipe with one secret ingredient. Definitely watch till the end. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. This week it started to snow. This is first snow for this season. It was just snow showers only. It was not very heavy. You can see just a single layer of snow all over the bushes, trees and even on chairs and so on. Weather is very bad nowadays, so it is better to take good care of yourself and your family too. In this snowy weather, I am preparing Aloo Paratha for school lunch box. For that, I have taken mashed potatoes, chopped onions and coriander, salt to taste, simple ingredients, 3 ingredients only, chili flakes, chaat powder and jeera powder. Don't go with too many ingredients. Kids will not like extra strong and spicy flavors. For making these paratha, I prepared the dough previous day night itself and also boiled the potatoes also last night itself, so it was very easy for me to make in the morning. Just see how I'm packing this aloo inside this paratha dough and preparing the aloo paratha. Very easy in the morning. It's not at all so difficult if you prepare everything ahead of time. Planning is very important for you to keep things easy. When I was making these aloo parathas for lunch box, kids were just craving for this aloo paratha in this snowy morning. So breakfast also I gave the same. If it is for kids and for school, do not add lot of spicy flavors and also garam masala and all. Very light flavors will be always loved by kids. Now quickly I fried all these parathas with the oil. If you want, you can also use some butter too. Just in half an hour time I prepared all these parathas and tiffin box was also ready. Many a times I make these parathas halfway fried at night itself. Fully also I will make and keep. That will be more easier also. That's how leftover paratha and that dough, everything, I made more parathas and kept it in fridge so that you can easily take and refry it. Every time when it is a snowy day, kids have to get ready early and they have to go and clean up this way. But this time in Costco we saw something new. It was very nice as well. That is the windshield cover. This windshield cover, see, if you take it off easily, you can just pull out the snow. Otherwise, you have to scrape all the windshield and clear it and then only you can start your car. But it was so easy with this windshield cover. Very nice. If anybody wants to check out in Costco, this is available. It's not a promotional video. It is my personal experience, how we feel so easy. The same way somebody else would also benefit. That's why I'm just sharing it. Even for the side mirrors also they give a cover which is also very nice for both the side. Till now it is working perfectly fine. I don't know how it will survive for the heavy winter. I will let you know in between. Now let's come to our main recipe today, that is chicken Seekh Kabab. It's a Malai Seekh Kabab, I would say, very soft and juicy. For that, choosing the chicken is very important. You can see I have taken breast pieces and thigh pieces together. In breast piece you won't have fat at all. In thigh piece you will have enough fat. That is why I have mixed it together, chopped it and put it in the strainer for all the liquid to completely be drained. Now you can see I am chopping the onions also in my food processor. Food processor is a very important tool for me every time. Just like this, with 1 or 2 pulses, the onions will be very finely chopped like grated ones. This also I will strain and remove all the water. Removing every liquid is very important for Seekh Kabab. See, even after cleaning, wiping and cutting the chicken also, there is lot of liquid coming out if you keep in the strainer. You can also buy store-bought minced meat or keema itself and do not wash it for any reason at all. For that only I buy chicken, wash it, nicely dry it and then make pieces and make the keema. Nice fine keema is important. To that now I am just adding all the onions. I am squeezing out the water and adding the onion. You can see after squeezing also in that onion also you will have whole lot of water. Just throw it or use it when you are making curry at the same time. Now finely chopped coriander leaves. If you want, you can also chop green chilies as well, but I am not adding green chilies today. 2 teaspoons of salt. Check salt according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of crushed red chilies. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and 1 tablespoon of dhania powder. Crushed dhania or dhania powder you can take, and instead of kasuri methi you can take chaat powder also. Likewise, I am adding 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and big log of butter. Butter you can change according to the fat content in your chicken mince. If you have less fat in your chicken, then you add more butter over here. No worries. Then lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice or if your keema is little bit runny, go for chaat powder and cut the lemon juice. We want to cut all the liquid. Likewise, this is the secret ingredient, that is baking soda. Baking soda, half teaspoon I have added. Compulsory you should add baking soda for very soft and juicy Seekh Kabab, as well as they will be puffed up. When you make Seekh Kabab, when they hit the heat, right, just like how it rises all the baking items, like that Sheikhs also will be nice, puffed up look will be there for Seekh. You can see how I have given nice finger marks on the skewers. This is also very beautiful way of making Seekh Kabab, or simply with the wooden skewers which you have store-bought ones, that also you can use. If you have these kind of skewers, no worries, but you can also use popsicle sticks also. In many of my videos I have already shared that recipe also, how I use popsicle and that store-bought skewers and all like that. I have these skewers, so I am using them. When you're preparing these skewers, have little bit of water by the side because it will be very sticky. If you don't touch the water, the skewers, the chicken Seekh Kabab mix will not stick to the skewers while preparing like this. You would have seen I am dipping my hand by the side in the water then and there. Now I am going to fry it in the most simplest way, that is stove top tawa with grill marks on it. If you don't have grill mark, or if you have only the round tawa in which we make dosa or paratha, that also is okay. You can use small skewers and use them. If you have oven, you can bake them. In my previous video when I made Seekh Kabab, I have showed how I bake with these same skewers, keeping it on the baking tray also. Like this, you can remove these. Once these kebabs are ready, they will come out easily out of these skewers. Just take a hold of any tissue of this kind and pull it out, it will come. If it is not coming out, that means it is not cooked from inside. So if it is coming out, that means it is cooked. In the halfway itself, when it is getting done, I will remove it and I am preparing other skewers to get ready for the next frying. So this way I fried kebabs for 1 kg approximately. Whole lot of Seekh Kababs I prepared. I prepare always in big batches so that it will be useful for me for whole week long. This way, along with salad itself, is simply very tasty. I don't need any roti or any chawal along with this Seekh Kabab. Just with this salad itself, it's a full meal. For kids in the evening, I prepared wrap. Even I don't need to go and prepare the wrap. They will prepare by themselves itself. These all are store-bought tortillas you get, that only I am using for preparing the wrap today. This you can take any sauce of your choice, mayonnaise and hot sauce, something like that, and load it up with whole lot of lettuce and our juicy Seekh Kabab, and again any sauce of your flavor and choice. Then our wrap will be very much ready. Doing this, I don't need to go to kitchen at all. The main work of making Seekh Kabab I make and keep in the fridge, and my kids, they make the wrap by themselves. So this way I will prepare all the Seekh. You can see I have prepared and kept it in 2 boxes. One box I'll keep in the freezer, one box I'll keep in the fridge. For fridge, it will go for 2 days or 3 days. It will stay easily in the fridge. In freezer, it will stay for long. When the first box from fridge is over, I will take out of the freezer next. Even for school, I prepare these type of wraps for kids' school lunch box. Hope you all like these recipes of lunchbox and Seekh Kabab recipe. Sure, give it a try and leave a comment. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.